Hello everyone, today we will learn blanket stitch. The blanket stitch is a stitch used to reinforce the edge of the materials. Depending on circumstances, it may also be called a cable stitch or a crochet stitch. It is a decorative stitch used to finish as unhemmed blanket. The stitch can be seen on both the sides of the blanket. Blanket stitch is often used to apply fabric as it gives a nice edge while preventing flying. The finished stitch is some way resembles a letter L depending on the spacing of the stitches. And here we are done with our blanket stitch. Now just finished it, tuck it down, and our blanket stitch is ready. Now we will move to our next stitch, buttonhole stitch. Buttonhole stitch. Buttonhole stitches catch a loop of the thread on the surface of the fabric and the needle is returned to the back of the fabric at a right angle to the original start of the thread. This is as same as like a blanket stitch. But for buttonholes, the stitches are tightly packed together, and for blanket edges, they are more spaced out. This is the basic difference regarding there is a more space in blanket stitch and there is a very less space in buttonhole stitches. The properties of this stitch make it ideal for preventing revealing of woven fabric. This will give you a very nice and beautiful effect. And here you can see the look of the stitch. And our our buttonhole stitch is ready now. Finish it, tuck it down. Now we will move to our next stitch, French knot. French knot is a decorative stitch made by winding the thread one or more times. But what do you mean by more times? Not more than 2 times. So we have to take 2 rounds of threads around the needle and drawing the needle back through the material at the point where it came out, known as a French knot. You can see here now just take a thread around the needle. Only traditional French knot only consists of 2 rounds of thread, not more than that, and if you go more than that rounds, then it will goes towards to your bullion knot stitch. Yeah, definitely we are going to see bullion knot after completing French knot stitch. So here you can see you can use these for a dot kind of purpose, or you can feel with the French knot. That will also give you a very nice effect in the embroideries. The French knots are ready. Next is our bullion knot. The bullion knot is an interesting stitch used to make simple motifs. I would say that this is an elongated knot that can be used liberally to the group and make dense textures. This stitch gives an embossed look, contributing to the Brazilian embroidery that uses stitches of 3D nature. If you see, you will find so many beautiful examples of this stitch. But yeah, this is the first, the basic bullion knot you have to learn. Here I had taken around 7 rounds around the needle. Then only you will get such kind of effect, like 6, 7. And yes, for to achieve a perfect effect, you need a practice. You have to practice all these stitches, then only you can uh, make it these embroidery stitches very neat and clean. And now here we are done with our boolean knot stitch. So today we learn first your blanket stitch, second buttonhole stitch, third one is your French knot, and the last one is your boolean knot. I hope you really liked this session and enjoyed it. Now please try and practice it. Bye.